Hey guys, John Hunter with Guaranteed Rate. Hey, coming to you today with some pretty exciting news. Guaranteed Rate is rolling out a new process, a new program really, to get files through as quickly as possible. We call it same day mortgage, and it literally is a same day mortgage. So it's kind of crazy how it works. We literally can go from application to clear to close in one day. Really, let me explain how the process currently works. Right now, most companies, including us, we take a file from application, goes to a processing team who processes it, basically then sends it to underwriting. Underwriting underwrites it. There's conditions, it goes a little back and forth, and then it goes to a closer who then sends it to escrow for closing. That process right now is taking 30 to 45 days on average industry wide. That's pretty normal. It's been that way forever. I've been doing this 29 years, and that has not changed. So the process, in essence, has really been the same this whole time until now. So what we're doing now is instead of sending it from me to a processing team, it's literally going directly to an underwriter, and then the underwriter is the single point of contact for the client. So what happens is the underwriter will reach out, and the underwriter is using AI. It's really cool how we're doing it now. So we're doing automated verifications of employment as much as possible. We're using automated asset verification. So there are some files where we're not even needing pay stubs or bank statements. Now sometimes we still need that, but there are some that we're not. So we're cutting corners as much as we can to speed things up. It's pretty exciting how it works. So even getting automated appraisal waivers, we're not even needing appraisals. It's pretty cool stuff. So now, once that happens, once the underwriter reaches out to the client, if they get everything uploaded within a day, they actually get a $250 credit off closing costs for moving so quickly. So the goal is then to underwrite that file within a couple hours, and it's real. I have clients right now that I've put through this program that are sitting. A couple are pre-approved on this program, which is great. And then others have gone through it and we're clear to close, and we're weeks early before the close date. And it's great to be able to not close, in a rush, or even have the option of closing early. So, and what a wonderful negotiating tool up front it is to be able to say to a seller, I can close in 2 weeks and mean it, and it be real, because you're sitting on a fully approved, fully underwritten loan where the only condition is title, a contract, and an appraisal. So, and sometimes not even appraisal if we get a waiver. So it's pretty exciting stuff. So not every program counts for this. So of course, there's a catch to everything. So self-employed borrowers, complicated scenarios don't qualify. Vast majority of conventional do, though. 3% down or more down qualify. It's pretty neat stuff. So the government stuff is coming. We're working on that. It's in the trial phase right now, but we'll roll it out as soon as it's done. But as far as the conventional stuff, we funded over $1 billion on this program, and it works. This is pretty exciting. It's going to change the way that our business is done. I've actually seen that other companies are trying to already copy this. Guaranteed Rate seems to be the first that have rolled this out in a meaningful way. So we're pretty excited about it. I think it is going to change the way we do things. And if you're interested, getting pre-approved on it is actually really neat, because if you get pre-approved, we can take an application, have the file fully underwritten in a day, within hours, and then have a pre-approval letter that is not a pre-approval letter. It is a conditional approval. It is a commitment letter where the only conditions are title and contract and appraisal. So really makes a difference when you're negotiating in multiple offer situations. And when rates start coming around and we start refinancing again, how huge is that? Anybody who's been through a refinance, it's a pain, 30 to 45 days waiting for appraisals, whatnot, can, be frustrating. How great would it be to be able to close in 2 weeks? So right now, our average on this program is a closing with a contract in 10 to 12 days on average. So 7 days is as fast as the law allows, but the only time it's taking longer than that is when we need an appraisal and there's a delay to do that. So pretty exciting stuff. I think it's going to change the way we do things. We're really embracing it over here. So anyway, licensed in multiple states. I'd love to help you guys out with any financing needs that you have. If you have any questions about what's going on in the market, where rates are headed, anything like that, I'm here to answer any questions. whether you're ready to finance or buy a house or whatnot. Always be your trusted advisor. So John Hunter, Guaranteed Rate, 206-856-4685. I'd love to chat with you if you have any questions. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.